Also tonight, comedian Kathy Griffin revealing she has lung cancer, what she's saying about her battle ahead.
From ABC News World Headquarters in New York, this is World News Tonight with David Muir.
Good evening. It's great to have you with us at the start of a new week. I'm Whit Johnson in for David tonight. We begin with the pandemic and alarming new fallout from the surging Delta variant. Cases soaring. More than 100,000 reported in 24 hours this weekend, the highest since February. Hospitalizations also on the rise. Federal disaster teams stepping in to help out. This map here showing the virus spreading across the country. Nearly 80% of U.S. counties now reporting high or substantial community transmission. The hardest hit areas there in red. Louisiana with the highest case rate in the country, their largest hospital out of ICU beds tonight. Florida right behind. Long lines developing for testing in Miami. More COVID hospitalizations there than ever before, even in 2020. And amid the conflicting rules about masks, cases in children are also on the rise. Parents with strong feelings on both sides of the debate. The CDC's Dr. Rochelle Walensky stressing once again this remains a pandemic of the unvaccinated. All the vaccines strongly protect against severe illness and death. And tonight, the nation finally reaching that goal President Biden set for the 4th of July, now a month late, 70% of everyone 18 years and older with at least one dose. And tonight, the new warning about COVID and pregnant women. And after Israel and the UK decided to offer booster shots, will the U.S. soon do the same? Dr. Jha weighing in just a moment. But we begin tonight with ABC's Janae Norman in hard-hit Louisiana.
Tonight, faced with the highest COVID infection rate in the country, hospitals in Louisiana starting to run out of beds. Some reporting seeing a new COVID patient every hour.
There are no more beds left. These are the darkest days of this pandemic. We are no longer giving adequate care to patients.
Federal disaster teams arriving in Baton Rouge to help handle the crush of COVID patients as hospitals face staffing shortages.
We're beyond a tipping point. We're going to see more and more cases. If adults and children 12 years of age and older would simply get what we know to be a safe and effective vaccine, we could avoid all of this.
Across the country, health officials say it's the unvaccinated being overwhelmed by the Delta variant. In Missouri, 31-year-old Daryl Barker regrets not getting the vaccine as he's fighting for his life in the ICU. His wife and 6-year-old son only able to watch through this window.
I was strongly against getting the vaccine just because we're a strong conservative family. But that little boy out there is a reason to have a vaccine.
Nearly 80% of U.S. counties are now either reporting high or substantial community transmission.